Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the repair safe. Unplug the hand chopper and put on gloves and eye protection. Once done, remove the lid screws with the smallest screwdriver and lift the cover straight up so you can see the spindle. Make sure to note part orientation or take a quick photo for reference. Next, clear any food debris around the blade and thread with a soft brush. Now you have direct access to the damaged thread and can identify whether you need to chase, replace, or retap the damaged section. You inspect the thread closely to determine how bad the damage is. If it's slightly stripped, a thread chaser or die can restore form. If it's cross-threaded or broken, you'll remove the stud or drill and install a helicoil or insert. Make sure to match the original thread pitch and diameter precisely so the replacement engages correctly. When inserting a new stud or helicoil, apply a drop of medium-strength thread locker or use a nylon insert nut for vibration resistance. Once seated, test engagement by hand-turning the bolt gently. You reassemble the chopper by aligning the blade and housing exactly as noted earlier. Tighten screws progressively and evenly to avoid distortion. Once reassembled, plug in and run a short test while keeping your hands clear. Listen for unusual noises and watch for wobble or vibration indicating misalignment. If you still detect looseness or binding, power off immediately and reopen the housing. Recheck thread depth, confirm the insert is fully seated, and verify bolt length.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.